Hello, welcome to the TechBits YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to find your Postgres config file. So that said, let's get started. I'm going to start clicking on my terminal, expanding it, and logging as the Postgres account for which I'll need my password. So the first thing I have to do, there's a couple of ways we can approach this. Going directly into pSQL, and here typing in show config file. That's going to give us the path. The other way is typing in as a tuple parameter for pSQL and the command. And it's going to have the same effect. I close the quotes and notice we have our values there. Now that we have the location of our PostgreSQL config file, we can view it by increasing our writes with a sudo into the path where it is located. And once we have that, we should be able to see it. Notice it's 782 lines here available. We can scroll down and you'll see that it covers file locations, connections, resources, the wall, right, a head log, checkpoints, replication. A lot of settings are really covered in here. So be careful if you ever need to modify these. We'll look at it in other videos, but it is very recommendable to make a copy of it before making any changes at all, and to make sure that you know what you're doing with this file. Because once you make a change, you can always restart, and if you have a copy, hopefully you did, restore from it. That covers this video for today. See you in the next one.